Well, hey guys, got an unboxing and first impressions video for you today, this time on a Crossway Bible ESV Heirloom Bible Legacy Edition in navy blue goatskin. Now, this Bible is currently on evangelicalbible.com. It's actually an Evangelical Bible exclusive Crossway edition of the Heirloom Legacy. And again, this is in navy blue goatskin. I believe right now at the recording of this video, February 2nd, 2023, this Bible is on sale at evangelicalbible.com. So I'll drop a link in the description below for you guys to check it out. Now, looking at the box, of course, you get the beautiful brown or the beautiful black cardboard stock box. On the bottom here, you've got ESV Heirloom Bible Legacy Edition, navy blue goatskin. It talks about the warranty. There is the ISBN number for you. The side of the box is very simplistic. The back of the box here gives you some information on the Heirloom Legacy Edition, and it has some of the features as well. Let's go ahead and pop this box open and check out the Bible. So this Bible comes with a two-piece black box, as I mentioned, and here is Crossway's pledge. I'll show you guys this in case you want to pause the video and read it. It talks about the uniqueness of the Bible, the warranty of the Bible, and it's just on this thicker cardboard construction paper cardstock there for you. Now, opening the box, you do get this beautiful felt liner. This is one thing I love about Crossway Bibles. When they send you the Bible, it comes with this beautiful felt cover to protect the Bible, and then there is the Bible. Slide this out of the way. So again, this is in navy blue goatskin, and it is a Crossway Bible, as I mentioned. So looking at the cover here, you've got this beautiful grainy goatskin with a navy blue coloring. It does show some grain. It's not really a pebbly grain. There are some pebbles there that you can see, but it is very smooth, and it's got a good texture. Now, looking at the outside of this cover, it is perimeter stitched. The spine here has 4 raised spine hubs, and of course you have the generic Crossway Bible spine with the emblems. You've got 4. You've got Holy Bible, you've got ESV, their signature symbol. You've got English Standard Version down here. Then you've got Crossway. Looking at the back of the Bible again, there is that beautiful goatskin liner. Now, opening the Bible up, you've got, of course, your calfskin inner liner in navy blue. You've got the art, the gold art gilding around the perimeter there. The corners are not pleated. They're your typical Crossway corners. This is an edge-line Bible, which it means that it is reinforced into the text block, so it's going to last you a good long while. Opening it up to the presentation pages, you've got this glossy, thick cardstock that Crossway is famous for. Holy Bible, marriages, births, adoptions, and then you've got the Holy Bible. Now, this is interesting because most Bibles have this text in the center. However, this Legacy Edition has it up in the right-hand corner. Now, this Bible is, I believe, printed and bound in the Netherlands. Yes, printed in the Netherlands, bound in the Netherlands. So this has a very good binding as far as Crossway goes. I'm sure the leather also comes from the Netherlands rather than China in some of the other Bibles that Crossway publishes. You've got the content page, you've got the preface, and then you've got Genesis. Now, this Bible does lay open flat upon opening the Bible. The edge lining here is kind of poking through. You can see, but it is just needs some nice breaking in. The beautiful thing about this layout here is it is a single column format, paragraph format, you've got the verses intermixed throughout the text. Now on the poetry or the songs, you can see it's verse by verse format. Of course, here in Psalms, you see that as well. The beautiful thing about this text block is for those who love a single column Bible, a Bible that you can read well, this is a fantastic layout. It's also very practical for those who love wide margin. You can see that on the top margin, you got about an inch and a quarter. On the side, on the outside perimeter, you've got about another 1.5 inches perimeter or wide margin. And then on the bottom here, you've got a very generous amount of space here for the wide margin to use for notes and Bible symbols. And that's one of the big selling points of this Bible specifically, is the reader's style, but the cross references and the I'm sorry, not the cross references, the wide margins. The one thing this Bible doesn't have is cross references, which for me is kind of a not a great thing. I like a Bible that has cross references, one that I'm going to be teaching out of and studying. This right here, in my opinion, for me personally, would be a great Bible to read and to take notes as you're reading. It'd be a great daily reader Bible. Looking at the art gilting on the side, it is blue under gold. You can kind of see that gold there. It's kind of a light gold, but it is gold nonetheless. And it's got this nice blue art gilting right there. The ribbons on this Bible are your Beresford double-sided dark blue ribbons. Now, most Crossway Bibles come with these dinky ribbons, very small, I think they're 10 millimeter. They're not great ribbons. This Bible comes with nicer ribbons, which I do appreciate. And I could see myself using those. Moving past the text into the end of the Bible, you do have a rather nice concordance. It's a double column concordance. You can see that there. It's a very extensive concordance. It goes on for quite a bit, which I do enjoy. Which leads us to the Crossway Bible maps. And again, these are on a thicker cardstock, glossy paper. I do enjoy some of the Crossway maps. They've got kind of Jerusalem in the time of Jesus, and it explains the city of Jerusalem and what it would have looked like, roughly. And then at the end of the Bible, you've got this thicker white cardstock paper, which leads us to the back of the Bible. And you can see there that it's got goatskin leather. So that is the Crossway Heirloom Legacy in navy blue goatskin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I will drop a link in the description to evangelicalbible.com, and I hope you guys have a good one. God bless.